In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split a video on CapCut using CapCut PC step by step so you can cut out unwanted parts, trim your clips more precisely, and make your edits look much cleaner and more professional. This is one of the most useful basic editing skills in CapCut. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short-form content, tutorials, or any kind of social media edit. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. If you haven't started a project yet, create a new one and make sure your workspace is ready. Once your project is open, the next step is to add your video to the timeline. You can do this by importing your clip into the media area and then dragging it down onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your editing will happen. Now that your video is on the timeline, look for the playhead. The playhead is the vertical line that shows exactly where you are in the video. Move it to the exact point where you want to split the clip. You can drag it manually or use the playback controls to preview your video and stop on the right frame. Taking a second here is important because the split will happen exactly where the playhead is positioned. Once the playhead is in the right place, you have two easy options. You can click the split button on the toolbar above the timeline, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl B. Both methods do the same thing, so choose whichever feels faster for you. If you want to work efficiently, the shortcut is usually the quickest option, especially when you're cutting lots of clips. As soon as you split the video, CapCut will divide that one clip into two separate clips at the playhead position. That means you can now edit each section independently. This is really helpful when you want to remove mistakes, delete pauses, cut out unnecessary parts, or rearrange sections of your video. If there's a section you don't want anymore, simply click on that unwanted clip to select it, then press delete on your keyboard. The clip will be removed from the timeline instantly. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to clean up your video and keep only the parts you want. And that's really all there is to it. Open your project, add the video to the timeline, move the playhead to the right spot, split the clip using the toolbar or Ctrl B, and delete any section you don't need. Once you get comfortable with this simple process, editing in CapCut becomes much faster and much easier. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.